let's begin. The first question, ecology, ecosystem and biomes related. Here they are asking about what is blue carbon. Here you have to identify the code word that is blue, that is a color coding we can say. So let's see the options. Carbon captured by the oceans and coastal ecosystem. Second option, carbon sequestered in forest biomass and agricultural soil. And in third option, carbon contained in petroleum and natural gas. And in the fourth option, carbon present in atmosphere. Here I had underlined few things that here blue carbon. What blue indicate? The blue indicate water particles. This is the basic thing which we get from the NCERT and also from our common sense. The blue indicates the water particles which is present on the earth. And what green indicate? Green indicate the natural vegetation, that is plants and tree particles. Those are present on the earth. That indicates green, correct? So here you have to identify the water molecules in this option. So here the first option is carbon captured by oceans and coastal ecosystem. Both are related to water particles. So the correct option is blue carbon. Blue carbon is related to the carbon captured or stored by the oceans and coastal ecosystem. This is the correct answer we can say. So let's analyze the other questions as well. Carbon sequestered in forest biomass and agricultural soil. This is green carbon. This is green carbon. The types of color coding of the carbon which is in news recently, because there is a news called teal carbon, and also we have a red carbon. So before going to teal carbon and red carbon, we'll analyze these two things, other two options. So this is related to green carbon. Next, carbon contained in petroleum and natural gas. These two are called as a black carbon. Black carbon, which is nothing but the carbon which is released by the vehicular emissions or industrial emissions, is called as a black carbon. If we consider industrial emission particularly, that we call it as a grey carbon. If examiner asks about a grey carbon, that is related to industries. If it is about the black carbon, that is related to vehicular emission. And also we have a term called brown carbon. Brown carbon. The brown carbon indicates the carbon released through agricultural waste burning. That is what is called as a brown carbon. Agricultural waste is nothing but burning of agricultural straws, which is presently in news. Delhi region climate change is happening, or Delhi air pollution is happening due to the agricultural waste which is burning. So that is what the stubble burning is called it as a brown carbon. The carbon which is released through stubble burning is called it as a brown carbon. So next one, carbon present in the atmosphere, it is called as a atmospheric carbon. So let's see what is teal carbon and red carbon. Teal carbon presently in news in Rajasthan, Kyalodev Ghana National Park, because study is going on. Teal carbon is nothing but the carbon which is stored, not emission. There is a difference between emission and absorption. Here it is absorption or stored. Steel carbon is nothing but the carbon stored in a non-tidal water region. What are all the non-tidal water region? Non-tidal water regions are wetland, swamps, marshes, Non-tidal is nothing but there is no movement of the water. That is what is called as a non-tidal water particles. The carbon which is captured or stored in a non-tidal water region, what is called as a teal carbon. What about red carbon? The carbon which is released by the biological activity of the ice regions. Andre we have a cryosphere. The biological, due to biological activity, there is a carbon emission which is happening at the cryosphere region. That is what we call it as a red carbon. So here the int is the color coding. Color coding is a hint here.